Who's ready to dive into the world of processing power, speed, and innovation? Today we're here to explore the latest Intel CPU that's making waves in the tech world. Intel has always been at the helm of groundbreaking technological advancements, and this time they've outdone themselves with their latest CPU. This new processor is more than just a piece of silicon, it's a testimony to Intel's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. The latest Intel CPU boasts features that are nothing short of impressive. One of the standout features is the increased core count, which leads to significantly improved multitasking capabilities. This means your computer can run multiple applications seamlessly without slowing down. The new CPU also comes with an enhanced integrated graphics system. This means even without a dedicated graphics card, your machine can still handle graphic-intensive tasks with ease. This is a game changer for everyone from graphic designers to gamers who need high-quality graphics performance. But that's not all. The latest Intel CPU also offers hyper-threading technology. This feature allows each core to handle 2 processing threads simultaneously, effectively doubling the processing power. Imagine the kind of speed and efficiency this brings to your computing tasks. The power efficiency of this CPU is another feature worth mentioning. Despite its increased performance, it uses less power. This is great news for laptop users as it means longer battery life and less heat generation, leading to a cooler and quieter machine. In summary, the latest Intel CPU offers remarkable advancements in terms of processing power, graphics performance, multitasking capabilities, and power efficiency. Its features cater to a wide range of users, from everyday computer users to hardcore gamers and professionals requiring high-performance machines. So if you're in the market for a new computer or looking to upgrade, keep an eye out for this new Intel CPU. It's not just a chip, it's a revolution in computing power and performance. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates in our future discussions.